everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Traditional lazy methods don't last. You've probably seen videos promoting online surveys, transcription jobs, or creating videos and images. These can be quick ways to make money, but they require constant effort. Once you stop working, the money stops too. The lazy method: high payout partner products and leverage traffic. This method combines finding a high commission product to promote with a traffic source that gets you lots of views. Here's the breakdown. Step 1. Find your niche and market fit. Write down 20 things you're interested in, like hobbies or reading material. Compare your list with popular online markets. Identify any overlaps between your interests and market opportunities. This is your niche. Step 2. Partner with a high payout product. Websites like Digistore24.com and Clickbank.com offer access to high commission products. Look for products priced over $500, as a 50% commission can be very lucrative. For example, in this video, I'll use my YouTube growth course as an example. It's important to note that creating this course took a lot of effort, but you can benefit from someone else's hard work by promoting it. Step 3. Lazy content traffic formula. First, formulate ideas. Go to YouTube and search for your chosen niche. Find the top 3 channels in that niche, watch their most popular videos, and write down the top 10 video ideas from each channel, making it 30 total. Next, create unique content, which is really the only work step. Open each video and rewrite the content in a Google Doc in your own words. Use Copyscape to ensure originality. Feel free to combine ideas from multiple videos and research online for additional value. Then package your content, which is the super lazy option. Open Google Slides and create a presentation based on your script. Add pictures and icons from Flaticon.com. Use Pixabay.com or Pexels.com for images. Use the free screen recorder OBS to record yourself going through the slides. If recording yourself feels like too much work, hire someone on Fiverr or Upwork to do the voiceover. Step 4. Upload, optimize, and monetize. Upload your videos to YouTube and optimize them with keywords. Include your product's magic link, which is your affiliate link, in the description and pinned comment. Now you have an asset that can potentially pay you for years. Potential earnings breakdown, conservative estimate. Upload 3 videos per week, and hey, you can record all of them in one day for maximum laziness. Schedule these videos to publish throughout the year, which means you'll have 144 videos after a year. Now, let's assume each video gets 1,000 views per month. And remember, 90% of views come from just 10% of your videos. With a conversion rate of 0.04%, that's people buying the product. After seeing your video, you could see 57 sales per month from your 144 videos. If the product costs $1,000, that's $57,000 per month. As an affiliate, you could earn half of that, or $28,000 per month. Bonus tips for even more laziness recurring revenue. Promote products with monthly fees, like software, for example, TubeBuddy or vidIQ, to earn ongoing commissions. Automated videos in the tech niche. Use OBS to record screen tutorials demonstrating software usage, kind of like Tech Gumbo on YouTube. Animation software. Use VideoScribe or Animaker to create whiteboard animation videos, just like Philosophies for Life on YouTube. Delegate and scale once you start making money. Once your system is up and running, consider hiring people to create videos, make thumbnails, and optimize your videos. This frees you up to truly be lazy while your system continues to generate income. Call to action: subscribe for more strategies on making money online.